Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on our journey through the fascinating world of industry.
From vast production lines to innovative logistics, we'll uncover the secrets behind one of the world's most recognizable brands.
Witness the intricate dance of supply chain and production that brings Pepsi to billions across the globe. Delve into the crucial initial stage of beverage production, ensuring pristine water quality. The journey begins by carefully sourcing and drawing raw water into the sophisticated treatment facility. Chemical coagulants are introduced, causing microscopic impurities to clump together in a process known as flocculation. These heavier flocks then settle by gravity in vast sedimentation basins, leaving clearer water above. The water is then passed through multimedia filters, trapping finer suspended solids. Activated carbon filters remove chlorine, organic compounds, and any lingering odors or tastes, ensuring neutrality. Microfiltration modules act as a precise sieve, capturing microscopic particles and bacteria. Ultrafiltration takes purification a step further, effectively removing viruses and larger macromolecules. The heart of modern purification, reverse osmosis, forces water through semi-permeable membranes, removing dissolved solids and minerals. This critical stage is where the vast majority of dissolved impurities are meticulously stripped away. Ultraviolet light provides a powerful, chemical-free method for neutralizing any remaining microorganisms. To achieve the perfect balance and taste profile, the water's pH is meticulously adjusted, and essential minerals might be reintroduced. Finally, the perfectly purified water is held in sterile storage silos, ready for the next phase of beverage production. An intricate network of automated pipelines ensures the purified water is delivered precisely where and when it's needed. High-pressure pumps maintain the constant flow and pressure required for various stages of the water treatment process. Every aspect of the purification process is continuously monitored from a centralized control room, ensuring optimal performance. Trained technicians conduct regular inspections, ensuring all components operate flawlessly. Strict quality control is maintained through rigorous laboratory testing, analyzing water samples for purity and composition.
Advanced instruments, like spectrophotometers, provide precise data on trace elements and dissolved solids.
Inline sensors provide instant feedback on water conductivity and turbidity, guaranteeing consistent purity. Filters are regularly backwashed to remove accumulated impurities, ensuring their long-term effectiveness. Rigorous cleaning protocols maintain the integrity and efficiency of the delicate filtration membranes. With all tests passed and protocols confirmed, the water receives final approval, ready to become the foundation of iconic beverages. Delve into the precise artistry of syrup formulation, where every ingredient is meticulously measured and blended to perfection. The journey begins with impeccably purified water, the foundational element for our iconic beverage.
High-grade sugar is transported efficiently, destined for its crucial role in sweetening the legendary formula.
Precision is paramount, as automated systems ensure the exact quantity of sugar for consistency.
The sugar rapidly dissolves, forming the base syrup under constant agitation and controlled conditions. Temperature is meticulously regulated, ensuring optimal dissolution and preventing crystallization.
Even at this early stage, samples are regularly taken for initial quality assessments.
Brix levels are immediately checked to confirm the sugar concentration meets stringent specifications. The syrup undergoes primary filtration, removing any minute impurities for a consistently smooth product. Filters are regularly monitored and changed, ensuring peak performance and syrup purity. Advanced sensors continuously monitor flow rates and pressure, maintaining optimal processing conditions. Visual inspections confirm the syrup's pristine clarity, after the filtration process. The legendary Pepsi concentrate, the heart of the flavor, arrives under strict security protocols. The proprietary concentrate is added with extreme accuracy, ensuring the consistent Pepsi taste known worldwide. Every drop is accounted for, measured by advanced flow meters for uncompromised accuracy. Other vital ingredients are precisely integrated, enhancing stability and the final flavor profile. All components are now harmoniously blended within enormous tanks, forming the final, rich syrup. Highly skilled technicians monitor every variable from a central control hub, ensuring perfection. Any necessary adjustments are made instantly, thanks to sophisticated real-time feedback systems. Automated sampling ensures consistent quality control without human intervention, maintaining sterility. In the laboratory, the syrup undergoes rigorous chemical analysis, including pH balancing. Advanced analytical instruments break down the syrup's composition, ensuring every element is perfect. Finally, expert taste testers provide the ultimate human quality check, ensuring the authentic Pepsi taste. The finished syrup is then carefully transferred through sterile pipelines to holding tanks, awaiting its next transformation. Ready for bottling, the perfectly formulated syrup rests in state-of-the-art storage, preserving its quality.
Welcome to the heart of Pepsi's creation, the meticulous processes of proportioning and carbonation.
The journey begins with the careful preparation of Pepsi's secret syrup base, a blend of tradition and precision. These immense tanks hold the concentrated essence, meticulously monitored to maintain its integrity. Pure water is paramount, undergoing rigorous purification to meet Pepsi's exacting standards. Thousands of pounds of sugar are precisely dissolved, forming the sweet foundation of the beverage. Advanced dosing systems ensure every drop of flavor, acid, and caffeine is added with absolute accuracy. This sophisticated network orchestrates the perfect blend, marrying ingredients in precise ratios. Every milliliter is accounted for, with advanced sensors guaranteeing unwavering consistency. Within these specialized chambers, ingredients become one, forming the signature Pepsi taste. Operators oversee the automated symphony, ensuring every parameter remains within perfect balance. Even before carbonation, quality control is paramount, with samples taken for rigorous analysis. The Brix level, a measure of dissolved sugar, is crucial for consistency, precisely measured with advanced instruments. Maintaining the correct pH balance is essential for taste stability and preservation, a critical step in quality assurance. To perfectly absorb carbonation, the liquid must be chilled to an optimal, precise temperature. Before carbonation, dissolved oxygen is meticulously removed to prevent oxidation and ensure a fresh taste. Hundreds of thousands of gallons of liquid CO2 are stored, ready to transform still beverage into sparkling Pepsi. Precision regulation ensures the exact amount of carbon dioxide is introduced at the perfect pressure. The meticulously prepared syrup now enters the carbonator, where it will undergo its effervescent transformation. Inside, CO2 gas is intimately mixed with the liquid, creating the iconic carbonation that defines Pepsi's crispness. Each tiny bubble is a testament to the precise science, contributing to the distinct mouthfeel of Pepsi. Emerging from the carbonator, the beverage is now fully carbonated, effervescent, and ready.
Constant monitoring of pressure ensures the perfect level of carbonation, a critical factor for taste and fizz.
Maintaining a consistent low temperature is vital, maximizing CO2 solubility and ensuring a stable, sparkling product.
A final, crucial check confirms the carbonation level.
The perfected beverage rests in these colossal tanks, awaiting its journey to bottling and ultimately to consumers worldwide. Welcome to the high-speed heart of the Pepsi factory, where precision meets production on an unprecedented scale. Thousands of empty containers embark on their journey, a relentless flow designed for maximum efficiency.
Each bottle undergoes a rigorous multi-stage rinsing process, ensuring absolute purity before filling.
The containers now enter the heart of the operation, the rotary filling machine, a marvel of engineering. Each nozzle is meticulously calibrated for perfect alignment, ready to dispense with unparalleled accuracy.
The signature Pepsi formula flows with incredible speed, precisely measured to prevent overflow and maintain carbonation. Advanced optical sensors meticulously verify each fill level, ensuring every bottle meets exact specifications.
With the seal complete, bottles move on, their contents perfectly preserved and protected.
Each bottle undergoes rigorous leak detection, using pressure differentials to identify even the tiniest breach. The journey continues to the labeling station, where each product receives its iconic brand identity. Advanced roll-fed technology ensures each label is applied with pinpoint accuracy, forming a crucial part of the product's appeal. Each bottle receives its unique batch and expiration code, vital for traceability and quality control. Both human eyes and advanced AI systems conduct final visual inspections, ensuring every bottle is flawless. Bottles are precisely grouped into multi-packs, the initial step in preparing them for distribution. The multi-packs then pass through a heat tunnel, where a durable film tightly encases them, ensuring product integrity. Fully automated robotic systems meticulously stack the finished products onto pallets, optimizing space and stability for transport. Each pallet is then stretch-wrapped, providing unparalleled stability and protection during transit. Ready for distribution, the finished products are temporarily stored in vast, climate-controlled warehouses, awaiting their journey to consumers worldwide.
From the factory floor to global markets, the logistics of Pepsi's distribution ensure its timely arrival.
The final stage of a product's journey, where precision meets global demand.
Robots orchestrate the initial packaging, stacking cases with meticulous accuracy.
Advanced AGVs move products into vast storage, optimizing every inch of space.
Real-time data streams provide a panoramic view of the entire logistical network.
Automated systems meticulously assemble individual orders, ensuring accuracy and speed.
Products are precisely staged, ready for their journey to markets worldwide.
High-tech solutions load trucks with speed and safety, reducing manual effort.
With precision timing, the fleet embarks, carrying products to distant destinations. Advanced GPS tracking ensures every shipment is monitored from origin to destination. The journey culminates at strategic distribution hubs, ready for local dispatch.
Cross-docking operations ensure products are quickly sorted and rerouted.
For local markets, smaller vehicles are precisely loaded for targeted delivery. Sophisticated algorithms create the most efficient routes, saving time and resources. For global reach, vast cargo ships carry containers across oceans. Each container is sealed with precision, guaranteeing product integrity during transit.
Across vast oceans, the journey continues, connecting continents.
Rigorous customs procedures ensure compliance and smooth international passage. Upon arrival, Products are sorted at regional hubs, ready for final market distribution. The convenient access point, vending machines, frequently replenished for immediate enjoyment.
The journey's end, and a new beginning. A moment of refreshment for the consumer.
From local corner stores to international markets, Pepsi's global footprint is undeniable. Behind every refreshing sip lies a complex, interconnected global network, ensuring Pepsi is always within reach.